In the fall of 2018, Susan Holmes and myself drafted a bill that would address police violence and the withholding of digital records in officer-involved homicides. I provided a solution to national and state corruption that has been plaguing our nation for decades. The barrier to implementing this solution has been career politicians. The Colorado Attorney General's office actively suppressed my access to police records. The governor's attorneys have demonstrated that they will protect police secrecy at the expense of transparency in government records. End police violence by ending police secrecy.